Hello traders, in this video I want to show you a simple scalping strategy for Nasdaq or S&P in New York session with a potential win rate of 88%. To find out the direction in New York session and to determine the low and the high of the day, I use a technique from the master. The link to his video and the channel is in the description below, who showed us that the time from 9:30 to 10:30 is essential to find these values. After this period, we just look if we have a break of the high or the low of this area. And if price is breaking, for instance, the high, then we have an 88% chance that the low of this area will be the low of the day, and vice versa for the opposite side. In a moment, I will show you how to use this for the strategy. Credits go to the master. I highly recommend to subscribe to his channel. Now, let's have a look at an example. This is US 100, the 5 minutes chart. And the blue area here is my trading time in the New York session. I use the indicator sessions on chart to display this. I kind of misuse this. I set the New York session from 9:30 to 17 and disable all other sessions. Then yesterday I thought perhaps it would be great to write an indicator to display a box with the high and the low of the time between 9:30 and 10:30, but the master was faster. This is the indicator, these are the settings. It's free and linked in the description below. Here's an example on the 5 minutes time frame. You see this is the high and the low is broken by this leg. And now the assumption is that the high is going to hold. And now I'm looking to find a sell setup. In this simple strategy, I want the price to come up at least above this 50% line. So I just set an alert at this level. And then I check if I find an entry with the stop loss to the high of the box. Why? Because we know that there's an 88% chance that this high is not going to be taken. Alright, but we can optimize it a bit more. You know that I like levels of support and resistance. Now at this level I see an area that used to be support and now could act as potential resistance. Now here price refuses to close above this level, but shows rejection. A perfect entry in my opinion. The take profit I set to at least the so-called IDR, the implied defining range with the highest and lowest closing prices. And you see in this case, we end up with a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. Let me show you another example here for the long side. Again, we have the box from 9:30 to 10:30 New York time and we are breaking above. Now I'm looking for buys, wait for price to come below this 50% and then I search a level, a support at which I want to see a price action. This area here is very significant. And here we get a doji. If this is not enough indication for you, you can wait for the next candle that is pointing to the upside. The stop loss I set now to this low because I think with an 88% chance that this low is not going to be broken, and a take profit to the high of the box. Then we could take partials, after that go for the high of the London session and even higher. Okay, now the last example without too much explanation because it's all the same. It doesn't happen every single day, but if it happens, again 88% chance that your high or low is not going to be taken. Again, credits to the master, the link is in the description below, check it out. Okay guys, this is 5 minutes, this is scalping, we need low spreads and you get low spreads from the broker, Hankotrade, and also low commissions. I can highly recommend it, the link is in the description below. Registration is very simple, you don't need KYC documents, check it out, give it a try. So guys, if you like the video and my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. My Discord is in the making, I hope I can announce it in the next video. Also follow me on my Twitter, and if you have any questions, add these to the comments. I see you soon here on the Trading Guide.